sound? Do I need to turn this joint up or what?
Yeah. Y'all ready for that 2010 Black Aries? Are you ready for Black Aries 2010, man, and all? Let's do it.
Do it.
Yeah. Mr. Man.
Mr. Man.
Man, Mr. Man.
Mr. Man.
Mr. Man.
Man, Mr. Man, damn.
Cool out.
Matter of fact, check it. Hit the exit, cruise out. Don't hesitate. You best to move now. Fuck cops, we got chopped on the roof crowd. I see you go back in my action, taking pictures. I'm just trying to get a couple bucks richer. Forget about my past like Antoine Fisher. Mister, why you trying to stop my dough? Man's tripping. Why he trying to stop my show? Look, and behold, coming out on top. There's no way I'm coming out so guap to make a purchase with some whack hip hop from a fake ass merchant. Urgent you to come about your greens like a lady. I went out in jeans for the team, man.
Mr. Man.
Mr. Man.
Mr. Man.
Mr. Man.
Mr. Man. Can I get a grab all that money in your hand, man? Goddamn, Mr. Let me stop there. Let me get the key to the lock where they stop there. Mr. Man. 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 Can I get a plate? I've been working all day. Can I get a plate? Let me get a cake with my name on the plate. Make a bus in the inner on my real estate. Mr. Man, Mr. Handcuffs, Mr. Freeze, Mr. Hands Up. Don't move, I'll put you in the paddy bag. Lock you up for being tough, better man up. Now I don't mean to be an a-hole. Why the F you keep turning on my payroll? I think my bill's kinda late, I play the play role. Why you punishing me? My people stay broke. Trying to make a quarter out of $2. Let me get some of that war check you sign. I ain't never divorced in the rhyme, so I'ma bring the chorus back one more time. Like, damn, Mr. Man, 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 Mr. Man,
Make some noise. What's up? Give it up for LARUE.
When I say black, y'all say Aries, black, Aries, black, Aries. When I say black, y'all say Aries, black, Aries, black, Aries, black, Aries, black, Aries. Okay, they're ready, man. Let's go.
They're ready.
What's up? Y'all ready for that next Black Aries joint?